tumble, let's play in the hay and make this the best and happiest day. They tumbled and rolled with a jump and a spin, through tunnels and holes and a tiny tin bin. No matter their color, they all were best friends. Their laughter and joy would never end. So if you sail so happy and bright and share a smile, morning or night,
bright, the stars wake up to dance at night, with a twinkle here and a sparkle there, painting. One does a flip, another a spin, a big star claps and they all join in. They shimmer and shake, they wiggle and sway, dance until the break of day. But when